Hey guys, what is up? So, I have another Brandy Melville haul to do. I'm going to be doing another Brandy Melville haul because my other one is doing really well so far. Plus I got some new clothes, so I'll just show you what I got. I know like literally all my clothes are from Brandy Melville, but that's just because they fit well like for me and they're just like easy to pair with pretty much anything and they're cute. So I'm going to be showing you guys the pants first. I only got 2 pairs of pants. I have these like army green cargo pants, and I've been wanting a pair of like green cargo pants for a while now, so I got these, and then I also like to pair it with my belt, so that's what these look like. And then the next pair I got, these are like really different for me, but I wanted a pair of like dark denim jeans because my other pair of jeans are like light washed. So I got these and they're quite big on me, but I think pairing it with a belt looks really good in like a tight top. But yeah, they just look like this. I like the like painter pants style of it and like all the pockets with the white stitching. But yeah, they're very different for me. I've never seen anyone really wear these, but yeah. So now I'm gonna go on to like long sleeve tops, and these are all like striped. So the first pair, not the first pair, but the first shirt I got was this striped long sleeve, and I've seen a couple of people wear these, but I think it looks really good with layering because like I like to layer my clothes now. But yeah, I like how it's cropped, and yeah, I really like that. Oh, someone's texting me. Victoria. Sorry. Oh, my hair looks crazy. So I also wanted like a mock neck or like a turtleneck because that would also look good with like layering clothes. So this one, it's like a super dark gray and like white. And it's also striped and it's also cropped, which I really like. And I also like, you could also like, what I usually do is I usually like fold the turtleneck, like I don't know what it's like, I fold the neck down one, that's what I do. But yeah, it's super cute, it's super easy to pair with like the cargo pants or like pretty much anything because it's white and like black. So yeah, last long sleeve I got was this blue one. It's like blue, maroon, and like black and white. But yeah, it looks like this. It's a little longer than the like red one. I also like to layer this as well, and this also looks good with the blue jeans. The last couple items I have are t-shirts, and I bought these to layer with the shirts. So I got this shark one. It has like a shark and it's like drinking beer and has sunglasses and a hat, so like literally mood, but not drinking beer, guys. Underage, remember? I don't know, I thought that was funny. So yeah, I really like the back of this shirt. I've been here. It's in Oahu in Hawaii, and yeah, it looks like this. I just think it's funny, like I don't know, it also looks cool. I wore this to sleep actually as well, but yeah. And then the last shirt I bought, actually I saw this in the store and I was like, oh my god, what is that? Like it made me laugh so hard, so I bought it. But I actually really like it anyways. Kind of weird, but this is what it looks like. It has these like, there's like these 2 little babies, and like one's an angel and one's a devil. And I just think it looks really funny and unique because like I've never seen anyone with this. This looks really good paired with the long sleeve, which I really like. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the haul. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also check out my other Brandy Melville haul. You can click on. I also kind of put like outfits together. That's why I'm still like in my clothes, because I just put little outfits together just to show you guys what the clothes will look like all together. And yeah, so that's that. Also, I put in this new mirror so you can see like don't look at my feet. But yeah, I put these little succulents here. And I just put another mirror here, even though I have one there. I don't know, I just wanted to put one here. I really like the two succulents. Anyways, this is very off topic, but yeah, that's that. Also, this is like my favorite outfit right now. The army pants, this army belt, the shirt, and like the long sleeve. You already know, it looks so cute. Also, I paired it with some black barrettes on my pocket. And I think it ties it all together because I don't really wear that much like accessories or jewelries. But I don't know if you see, I did get this new Tiffany necklace that my mom gave me for my birthday. So shout out to my mom, love ya. But yeah, this is my favorite outfit. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Peace.